How to convert PDF to JPG in iPhone. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to convert PDF to JPG in iPhone. First, open the Notes app on your iPhone and access the link for the PDF to image iOS shortcut. Next, tap on Add Shortcut to add the PDF to image shortcut to your shortcuts list. Once added, tap on the PDF to image shortcut. You will then be prompted to choose the image option, so tap on Image. Next, select PDF Converter to proceed. At this point, you will need to allow the PDF to image shortcut to save the converted images to your photo album. Make sure to grant the necessary permissions. Once the conversion is complete, the images will be saved to your iPhone gallery. Now, go back to your iPhone gallery, and you should see the converted JPG images from your PDF. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.